Hi Interior Design, this is just a quick screencast on elevations and floor plans. So you have a little bit of experience with floor plans just in measuring a space and also drawing it to scale. Now we're going to talk about elevations. So first let's talk about architectural drawings. So once a building site is chosen, the owners select a floor plan that best suits their needs and the site's topography. Architectural and construction drawings or blueprints are drawn up or selected. They are thoroughly checked to be sure they meet all building codes and regulations. Building codes specify construction techniques and materials to ensure that a home is safe and well built. Architectural drawings are technical drawings that provide information about the appearance and construction of a building. The most common architectural drawings are floor plans and elevations. Floor plans show the layout of a room as if it's viewed from above. They include a lot of information because builders use them as a guide for constructing the home. They include information about the size and location of walls, doors, windows, stairs, closets, fireplaces, cabinets, and major appliances. From the basic floor plan, specialized floor plans are developed. These could include separate plans for electrical, plumbing, heating, and air conditioning systems. So here is a blueprint of, in a floor plan, and so you can see different things like stairs, and you can see, the basic like room layout for each of the rooms. Here's some common blueprint symbols and abbreviations that are used. These are used basically so so it's not overloaded with information, the blueprint. Okay, so elevations they show the vertical surface as if it's viewed by someone standing on the ground or on the floor. Many architects use computer-aided design programs to help them generate drawings. Architects can use these drawings to change the plans as needed and print multiple sets of the finished plans. Several sets of prints are typically needed for construction of a home. One set is filed with a local government to obtain a building permit, and then the builder also needs prints at the job site. And you saw the symbols on the last slide. And so here's an example of a floor plan, and then each of the elevations that goes along for each floor, for each wall on that floor plan. So you can see this is wall A, and then this is elevation A. And so we can see the heights of the cabinets, cabinet doors, cabinet drawers, and all of the different things that are going to go on that wall in relation to each other. Here is a quick sketch of a nursery floor plan, and then you can see two elevations from that floor plan. So the nice thing is you can get a sense of what's going to go on each wall, how it's going to align with other things on the wall, and calculate the heights of those things when you're drawing it to scale. I want you to just take a second here. You can pause the screencast video right now and see if you can figure out which wall each of these two elevations is representing from this floor plan. So go ahead, pause it, see if you can figure that out. So drawing elevation plans, there are a lot of different options for drawing them on the computer. You can also draw them with graph paper and hand drawing to create a floor plan and elevation. Interior elevations are going to show one wall as seen from the center of a room. With elevations, you can see relative heights of furniture, walls, windows, doorways, and other architectural features. They are very, very commonly used for kitchen or bathroom walls because of all the cabinetry. So here is the progression from taking measurements of a room, drawing it to scale floor plan, and then drawing an elevation of one of the walls. And so you can see all the different measurements that were taken here and just roughly drawn out on graph paper. And then you can see it was converted to be drawn to scale, including the thickness of the walls and symbols like we have here for the toilet. And then an elevation was drawn. And so these two drawings are to scale. Here is a drawing done on the computer. There is different types of software programs out there, and also internet web-based programs that can be used to draw things on the computer, which obviously has some advantages. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, the recording doesn't really do this, isn't very good for this video, so I'm going to embed this video into the assignment separately, but you should definitely check it out. It's a quick demo of how to sketch an elevation from a floor plan and keeping them both in scale with each other. And so I'd like you to check that out. We will start in class with very basic exercises to get you acquainted with how to draw an elevation before we work on drawing your own elevations from your own designs. And so anyway, this gives you an overview of some different ways that you can go about drawing an elevation. There are parts that she does that are very calculated, and then there are parts that she does that are a little bit more free-handed. But anyway, check it out. It can give you the sense of how you would go about taking a floor plan to figure out what the elevation would look like as well.